Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to sum automatically the last 5 values in a column, or actually any number, maybe the last 3 or the last 2 values in a column with Excel formulas. So for example, here I have a list of the sales amount for the months, and what I want to do, I want to sum automatically, know what was the sales figure for the sales number for the last 5 months. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to give you the file, which is going to be right below the video. There's going to be a link so you can download it with all the formulas and follow with me. So what do I need to do? First, I need to build the range that contains those 5 values. So I need to build that reference. So for that, I'm going to use the offset function, which takes a reference, and to build that reference, I'm going to offset this cell. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to offset by the number of values that I have here. And what does it give me? Offset, I want to offset by this number of rows, 0 columns, and it gives me this value. So this right here, it's a reference to this cell, and so what I want to return is actually now I don't want to return a range that has only one cell. I want 5 cells maybe. So the height is going to be minus this value, and this is actually a range, so I need to make an operation on it. Here I'm going to make a sum of this range. So now if I check it, does it work? I'm going to select this and go to the quick sum function, and it seems to work. Here the sum is 23,000 and something, and if I change the value, I mean the number of months I'm considering, 1919, it works. So it works with the number of months, and if I add a new month, so it's gonna be I'm gonna scroll, I'm gonna add one more value, and here let's say we made $5,000 that month. It's gonna add it automatically. So here the last 4 months will be 18,500. That works too. So that's the function we need to use. So let's make a quick recap. I make a sum of a range that I construct with offset, and for offset I take the first parameter is where we start. Then we count a number of rows, which is actually the number of value that there is in this column. So it's going to be it's going to start constructing a new range in the bottom of the table. I don't want to offset any column. I put 0 because I stay on this column. And then I want to start constructing a range that has as a height parameter 4 rows, and since I'm starting here, I want the 4 rows that were before, so I'm decreasing the row number, so I take -4. If I took here plus F3 plus 4, it would start constructing a range of 4 rows here below. So so that's the formula. You can download it right below the video. There's a link to access the file. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified when I publish. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.